Hey guys, it's been a long time since you've seen anybody in the Moss Outdoors crew in camo. Last time I believe was Tyler's turkey that he got with his bow back in the spring. We are out here in mid-September, late September for the early doe season in Michigan. It should be an interesting morning. If we don't get anything, we might at least see something. We're going to be kind of picky with the doe we get, but we'll see what happens. Okay guys, we are out here mid-afternoon getting ready to go out for our evening hunt for this early doe season. Just a quick recap on the morning. We probably saw 20 plus deer. As you saw in the videos, they were kind of like out in the field a little bit on the other side of our tree line. That's not our property to hunt off of, shoot onto, but it's very close to it, so we just kind of had to wait for those deer to get into the grassy area, maybe 10 more yards, 15 more yards, and they would have been on our property to shoot. There was a lot of activity. We probably had a deer in front of us for an hour and a half, maybe at most, or at least, just constantly like watching deer out there feeding. You know, kind of running around. They were kind of just, the younger ones were playing a little bit. We saw probably 3 or 4 spikes and then a 6-point, small 6-point. Obviously, it's antlerless deer season, so it doesn't matter, but just for future reference, we had 2 possible shooter does come in the property within 50 yards of me, probably. Maybe a little, one was probably a little bit farther. The first doe that was definitely, or could have been a shooter, had 2 little ones with it, like spots and all, so I did not shoot that one, passed on that one. I was kind of hoping there was going to be a couple other deer with it, but they were all by themselves. And then the other ones that came through, there was a group of 5 deer. There was a spike horn that came through first, and then the doe came after it, and then it had 2 probably, or no, just 1 yearling with it, and then there was a little spike horn, just little tiny spikes on it, but I did not shoot that one. I probably could have. Actually, I definitely could have. It was standing at like 45 yards for broadside for probably 15-20 seconds, but I kind of made it up in my head I wasn't going to shoot it right from the start. Looking back on the footage, definitely could have, but I didn't. So we're going to get back out there. Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of Michigan's early doe season. We're headed out this morning. Got the 25-06 in hand. We're gonna go to the same blind as we did yesterday because we think those deer are filtering through there instead of where we were yesterday morning. So we're gonna try that out. Hopefully we see the same deer. We did see the same groups of deers go through there last night as we did out in the field from yesterday morning. So hopefully that's where they're filtering through. Got a game plan now. We're gonna have to stop a deer, get that shot off, and go from there. Can't be scared of missing. Gotta get this first deer harvest, so I'm gonna throw all of my thoughts into the wind and hopefully not my scent, and we'll go from there.
What is that? Is that a branch? Is the branch out of your way? No. There's another one. Yeah, just pick one. That one. The back one. Babe, shoot that. Hang on. I almost pulled the trigger. No, it's behind the tree. No, shoot the orange one. I can't. Is that a good one? Let me know when. Tell me when to stop it. No. I'm scared. Can you shoot that orange one? Yeah. Is that for young? Yes. Hang on. I'm not gonna give footage of it because it's behind a tree, but it's up to you. If you're gonna do it, you gotta do it.
I missed.
How do you know?
I don't know.
Did you have a clear shot of it?
Yeah.
It looked like you hit it, but I couldn't see very well.
Okay guys, we found a chunk of some sort of tissue, no blood, which makes us kind of think that it's gut shot. I think we're just gonna hang out for a little bit, put some new batteries in the camera. We're gonna come back down and track, but we're gonna give the deer a little bit of time so we're not pushing it. Yeah, we're gonna try to find some blood hopefully. Found some other stuff, but we're gonna get on it.
Do you want to show us the tissue here we found? I'm not 100% sure what this is, but
Yeah, we found that. It's not fat. It's pretty hard, and it's definitely not fat, but it's not like, I don't think it's lung. I think it's stomach or something. Not 100% sure what it is, but it's kind of hard.
yeah, we're
It
gonna
doesn't
go
smell.
see if we can find some sort of blood to start with, and then probably back out. But we need to at least find a little bit of blood here, so we'll come back to you in a minute.
Hey guys, we're back here, right where we shot the deer from. We're gonna mark it and we're gonna start tracking it. My cousin's coming out here to help us, and yeah, we'll kind of do some documentation along the way, but hopefully it's not too long of a track job.
We also believe that the deer was probably gut shot, so we gave it a couple hours and we're gonna try to get back on the trail here. So
Not push it.
yeah, we did not want to push it. So we think it's either a stomach or liver shot or maybe a little bit of both. But we're gonna get back in here, see if we can find it this time, and it really honestly it's a dead deer. It's just finding it is gonna be the hard part. So we're gonna get back on it, and we'll we'll update you guys along the way. Hey guys, we've been looking for at least a couple hours now, and we can't find anything. We found one little kind of like spot where I think there was like some gut material that kind of came out of the deer that was like, I don't know, probably 15, 20 yards into the blood trail. And I mean, we've looked everywhere right now and we just cannot find anything, and it's really frustrating. I don't know. I feel terrible for Melissa because I've been there. I don't get it. My only thought is that the wound just plugged right up with fat or something. The exit hole did, like, right away. And I don't know. I don't know what you do. But we're gonna keep looking for a little bit yet. I don't know. It's just not looking good right now, though. So we'll have to wait and see. But yeah.